In 2025, companies that don't have access to up-to-date data are losing the market. Competitors react faster, advertise more precisely, and take away customers. Proxies are the infrastructure that helps avoid this. Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In this video, we'll explore the key proxy solutions that already help companies scale their business, protect budgets, and ensure uninterrupted access to data. In 2025, data collection has become a constant challenge. Websites actively block requests, advertising platforms show different results depending on the country, and access to local resources is often restricted. For businesses, this means one thing. Without the right infrastructure, they get an incomplete picture. Marketers lose accuracy in targeting, analysts in competitor research, and managers risk spending budgets on decisions that are not backed by real data. That's why proxies today are not just a technical trick. They're a foundation for business stability. Proxies allow companies to see the market as customers do in different countries, gather data without blocks, and build competitive strategies based on real insights. So let's go through 6 tools that have already proven their value for enterprises. We'll start off with the first one, a tool that shows how anonymous your traffic actually looks. Anonymity check. Very often, companies don't even realize how much information websites see about them. IP address, location, browser, even the internet provider. If you think you're seeing anonymous while researching competitors or testing ads, you might be mistaken, and that's where this tool helps. On the screen, you can see the test in action. Within seconds, it shows your IP address, your geolocation, your internet provider, information about your browser and operating system, and whether you're using a proxy or VPN, and how anonymous the traffic really looks. Why is this important for companies? A marketer can check how their traffic is perceived, as a real user or as a suspicious bot. And in international campaigns, you can test how ads appear in different countries and make sure everything works as intended. The next tool is perfect for companies working with large data volumes. IP speed test. It measures upload and download speed through a specific proxy or IP. On the screen, you see the test running. The system immediately shows key parameters, download speed, upload speed, and response time. For business, this directly impacts performance. In web scraping, you can collect more data per day. In price or ad monitoring, you get results faster, and overall infrastructure becomes more stable. In short, IP speed test influences automation efficiency and helps maximize ROI from working with data. Now, let's move on to Proxy Checker from Proxy-Seller. This is a tool for quickly testing proxy functionality. Imagine a company buys hundreds of IPs for a marketing campaign, but some of them are slow or don't work at all. The team wastes both time and money. Proxy Checker solves this. You paste the list of proxies, click Start Check, and within seconds you see whether the proxy is active, its type, HTTP, HTTPS, or SOCKS, connection speed, anonymity level, and geolocation. You can instantly download results in CSV or TXT. For businesses, this means no hours of manual testing, no wasted money on dead IPs, and a stable infrastructure for analytics and marketing. Next is Proxy List Filter. When the task grows larger, there's a proxy list filter. If the proxy checker answers the question, "Is this proxy working right now?" Proxy List Filter helps organize and manage hundreds or even thousands of IPs. You upload a large list and the service automatically sorts and removes slow, inactive, or broken proxies. The results are displayed immediately with speed, geolocation, and anonymity level. For companies, this means optimized IP pools without manual work, fast selection of the best resources for marketing, analytics, or traffic arbitrage, and saving money by paying only for what actually works. Proxy List Filters saves both time and budgets, making large-scale proxy management efficient and convenient. Another common problem in business is when technical issues directly hurt the bottom line. For example, a company sends an email campaign, but the messages end up in spam instead of reaching clients. Or a fintech service suddenly loses access to resources because its IP was blacklisted. The result? Damaged reputation, lost deals, and financial losses. That's where IP blacklist check comes in. It verifies whether an IP address appears in spam or security blacklists. For business, this is critical. In email marketing, it improves deliverability and boosts conversions. In SaaS or fintech, it ensures stable data access and prevents unjustified blocks. In other words, IP blacklist check helps companies protect their reputation and avoid losses caused by hidden technical risks. Finally, let's talk about a tool created specifically for marketing teams, UTM Builder. This tool helps track where traffic comes from and which campaigns actually deliver results. On the screen, you can see how it works. We create a UTM tag by entering the source, Google Ads, and the campaign Autumn Sale. The service instantly generates a tagged link. Now every click can be tracked in analytics, whether it comes from Facebook ads, an email campaign, or Google Ads. For business, this provides complete transparency. Marketing teams can segment traffic by channels, management can see clear reports like, here's the ROI for our campaign, and budgets become more controlled without blind spending. Instead of guesswork, companies get real data and make informed decisions. That's why UTM Builder is a valuable tool for any business serious about analytics and optimization. So in 2025, proxy tools are no longer just for technical specialists. They form a complete infrastructure that helps businesses move faster, save money, and win the competitive game. Today, many companies already understand free proxies are not about saving. They're about risks. They bring security threats, instability, and blocks that directly reduce the effectiveness of marketing, competitive analysis, and data collection. In modern business, there's no room for compromise when it comes to reliability and security. That's why market leaders choose trusted partners. At Proxy-Seller, we provide a proxy infrastructure that ensures 100% anonymity, maximum security, and 24/7 support. These solutions scale to fit any task, from e-commerce to fintech. Check the description for the link to our website and a 10% discount code. And to stay updated on new business tools and technologies, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Thanks for being with us, and I'll see you in the next video.